and who has just been certified. Congratulations, Stacy.
Thank you very much.
So what are you certified in now?
Revit Architecture 2009.
And how do you feel?
Very relieved, very relieved.
Did you say excited too?
Excited and relieved, yeah. Yeah, it's a good feeling.
Now, was it harder than you expected, easier, the same, the level of difficulty, what would you say?
I thought it was a good test. It wasn't too difficult, but it was fair. You had to know the program to get through it, so I think it was a fair test. It's good.
So what will this mean for you at work?
Well, I guess I get a little bragging rights. Put the pressure on everybody else. So it'll be good.
And one more question, the voucher. Did that encourage you to get certified?
Definitely, yeah, very much so. So you can't, if it's free and it's here, you can't really have an excuse not to do it. So it was definitely a plus.
That's great. Well, congratulations again, and wear your badge with pride. Yes. And that's great.
Great, thank you so much.
Autodesk is having a party tonight for 7,500 people. It's the AU party, yes. People are having a good time. They're just arriving, lining up for food and drink, and there's entertainment, and tonight is the final for the Design Slam, so lots happening tonight at AU. So are you more of an expert now that you've been at AU this week?
Slightly more.
And what's your area of expertise?
Structural engineering.
Is this your first AU?
It is.
And what'd you think?
Oh, it's great. It's a great time. Learned a lot, actually. I was just kidding earlier.
People are having a good time at the AU party. Here's James from Florida. Tell us who you are.
I'm Jimmy Carr from Jacksonville, Florida. This is my third time to AU, and I'm having a good time. It's a great education, great for meeting people and networking, and I'm just happy.
So were you an expert before you got here?
I was an expert before I was an expert. Now I'm an expert at being expert. I'll teach you a lot here.
And what's your area of expertise?
Civil 3D. We do quite a bit of it. In fact, most of the work we do for our company is Civil 3D. We have also architectural desktop, but most of the work centers on Civil 3D.
Okay, well, thanks for your time. Have a good time.
Certainly.
I think you're having a good time already.
Hey, I don't need to drink to have a good time. I am a good time. What can I say? Ain't you having a good time? Hi there. How are you?
So Henry Goki is the winner of the Design Slam competition. Henry, how did it feel being up there on stage with thousands of people watching you design live?
It was borderline terrifying, actually. It was really exciting. I have to tell you, that really pushes everything that I can do in the 3D world to the limit. To be able to create a 3D model in 20 minutes is like, I kind of surprised myself. The first night was the same way, to try to do a perspective sketch with shading and all of that in 20 minutes. I was seriously surprised we were able, all three contestants, groups of people were able to pull it off. It was a tremendous evening. The support from the crowd was amazing. This event is so big. It's an exciting thing for everybody in the community to be here, to be at an event like this. So I was honored to be here. It was a humbling experience. It was very exciting. And for all the AW people out there, CGI or die. It was very exciting. Thank you.
I think it's just a wonderful event. The work here is just stunning. Very sleek, very chunky, and the last one very ironic. I like irony in design. It's great.
We're with Jay Schuster of Pixar, who is one of the judges in the Design Slam. So how was it being up there on the stage watching these people create these designs so quickly?
Well, I can relate to that. I mean, it's pretty much a daily business at Pixar, just to be like at your desk and to be cranking out as quickly as possible. You know, we get like, you know, 2 or 3 art reviews a week, and there's so little time in the day. And slowly but surely, you find your design ability just like extrapolating. Like, you know, you're like, oh, I gotta design 5 things at once, and you're parallel processing, and you're pushing pencil, and it's just all this stuff happening at once. And you know, and that at times I think that's the best way. You know, if you have a little bit of time to do a couple of things, you're gonna get right to the point, simplify. That's the best way to design, really.
So we need some time pressure and a little adrenaline to perform well.
Yeah. If you have too much time to think about it, yeah, you're gonna fixate. You're gonna waste some time. You're gonna, you know, postpone. You know, so it's like, just give yourself a little bit of push. It works.
Thank you, Autodesk University, for the opportunity. It was a very exciting event. You guys really pushed me to the limits. AU rocks.
I think everyone agrees this was a fabulous way to end AU at this party. The food, the music, the entertainment. We had Don McMillan, the PowerPoint comedian, the trampoline. The design slam was definitely a highlight of the evening. This was, by unanimous agreement, a fabulous way to end this week.